This absolute beast of a gaming PC just came in my shop because when you try to open games, they'll act like they're loading, but then all of a sudden just flash and then go back to the desktop. And this particular issue seems to be happening in a number of titles as well. The system's just not stable. So what exactly is going on here? Well, even though all signs point to this being a GPU issue, like most game crashes, it's not. Rather, I'm certain it's a CPU problem. See, I've been seeing this exact same problem at least once a week right now. And every single time I've seen it, it's been CPU related, specifically on 13th or 14th generation Intel CPUs. Just like what we got inside of here with the Intel Core i9-13900K. And this actually is a known issue. See, Intel's 13th and 14th generation i7 and i9s have been plagued with instability problems, all of a result of a faulty microcode, which would cause the CPU to request too much voltage from the motherboard, causing tons of premature failure and instability problems. Like I said, I see about 1 to 2 of these systems a week, with the exact same problems and the exact same behavior. The good thing is this issue has been addressed by Intel, as there's actually a patch that was rolled out through a BIOS update with a new microcode that addresses most of the CPU issues, but you have to have it installed, and this system clearly doesn't, because the build date for this BIOS version is from 2023. And the first microcode update was released in October of 2024. So the system obviously doesn't have it. So in order to get it, we're gonna need a USB flash drive, which if we just plug in, then we're gonna need to go to our motherboard manufacturer's website and go over to the BIOS and firmware tab and look for the most recent version that just came out with the microcode 0x12F. That's the most recent microcode that fixes most of the issues. So let's download that and extract and paste our BIOS file on that USB flash drive. Now to go ahead and get that installed, on our next restart, we're gonna go ahead and press the delete key to get back into our BIOS. And in here, we're gonna wanna go up to Tools and then the Asus Easy Flash 3 utility, which will automatically copy the latest BIOS version from that USB flash drive over to our motherboard, taking us from version 2703 to 4301 with that brand new microcode. And just like that, our BIOS is now upgraded to the latest version, which means we can actually run a game without it closing on startup, as soon as shaders start to compile. And even though games are back up and working thanks to us upgrading that microcode, we're not done just yet with this system because it's quite filthy. I mean, just look at these fan blades. So let's take this PC out back and blow it out. That looks so much better. So with this PC now clean and games no longer crashing thanks to us having the proper Intel microcode, let's get this gaming PC back over to our customer.